Hello guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off show unlock transition effect on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here we go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then tap on More Biometrics Settings. Then tap on Show Unlock Transition Effect. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or on. So this is now off. And if I lock my screen, you can see if I lock in with my fingerprint, you can see the screen will quickly go to the home screen straight away. Now if I turn on the transition effect, you can see now if I try to unlock it, it will kind of provide a zoom in transition right there. I guess it is a little bit slower. So if you want to speed up your device, you might want to turn off this unlock transition effects so that every time you unlock your device, it's go boom directly to your home screen instead of showing that animation effects. Is I don't know, maybe it's half a second or something. It will slow you down half a second if you turn it on, and if you switch it off, it will be a lot faster, as you can see right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.